Add ingredients to the 5.3-quart stainless steel bowl through the splash guard. Show no splatters. Text overlay, 5.3 cutie for family baking and 93% splatters prevented. With an 800W pure copper motor and 260 RPM planetary mixing, this mixer delivers flawless dough and batter every time. Choose from 6 speeds plus pulse to knead bread, whip cream, or mix cookies with ease. Close-up of the sleek white mixer kneading dough perfectly. Text overlay, bake like a pro. Struggling with messy, uneven baking? Meet the EQTLVFH 6-speed electric kitchen mixer, your key to pro-level results. Quick montage of hand mixing fails, dough splattering, lumpy batter, then cut to smooth mixing with the EQTLVFH mixer. Upbeat music kicks in.